All you need to do when we actually take your call is say Thokoza Mkhulu, and then she will take over. But first things first, we'd like to greet my course. Thokoza Ninjani.
Thokoza Mkhulu Ninjani.
See, amazing, Nati. Thank you so much for being able to use your gift this afternoon. We always appreciate that, okay?
Yep.
And it's set today, Sizokala, with having our new permanent presenter Lana on the fast lane. Usa Beyonce ukuthi kube first time yakhe Lana naye athucela ukubona ukuthi on the other side bathini ke bona. So Selby, you can say Thokoza Mkhulu when you wish.
Thokoza Mkhulu.
Ninjani?
Siyaphila Mkhulu njani nini?
Sikhona. Yazi, I'm smiling because I literally can feel your heart going through your neck. It's like you want to say cancel, cut. I don't want to do this, but there's nothing much that I'm going to say.
I'm a strong girl. Yeah, I can handle it.
Okay, when picking up on your energy, kuvuka kakhulu abogogo abahamba nawe. Ogogo from your mother's side, way back to even ogogo abazala ugogo wakho on your mother's side of the family. Your father's side of the family ikona spiritually, but they're not showing me a strong bond with them in the physical world. Now, bathike ogogo bakho, there's a difference between you, the performer, and the business person, and then you, the human being. Because people might assume because you are on a public platform, that umuntu extrovert, you're outgoing, you're always loud and happy and bubbly. But the truth is that sometimes you are very coy, you are very shy, and that is why sometimes you find it hard to make conversations. Nabantu, people can misinterpret that as you being arrogant, no matter but you can't be around as much as you're a loud energy. Sometimes personalities that are just as loud as you, they tend to intimidate you, and you want to keep to yourself. You're very good with observing people. So most of the time before you'll take a day or two to just be quiet and study people, because you always want to know what you don't just throw yourself at people, because you avoid getting hurt, you avoid unnecessarily. And I think I want to emphasize on that, because you've experienced so much of hate, and not hate because of who you are physically, but hate because of your capabilities. You have been pushed to the deep end so many times in terms of your career. People literally have given you opportunities thinking you were going to choke on those opportunities, and you ran with them and made it work. So therefore you continuously are becoming a competition to many. Now when they tap into you as a spiritual person, I'm being shown that you do have a spiritual gift. You are and you are a master of keeping quiet and shying away from reality. And this is what I mean by that. But the very next day you will greet that person like nothing ever happened. So people must not make a mistake. You do see, it's just that you know ayikho into eyenziwa umuntu wena ongayiboniswa ebusuku, ayikho futhi into efika ihlale when you might notice ukuthi konke eyenziwayo, but nothing has given that much dark impact in you, ngoba abakini banokukuvusa njalo intatha 2 o'clock 3 o'clock you are being told to wake up, ngoba abakini basuke sebefikile besebenza through you, which is why most of the time you are going to dream, you are going to have dreams of aviation, either you flying or uphuphe usebhanoyini. That means ukuthi unokuphakama okukhulu okuzayo phezu kweyakho impilo. Now you've started your journey in radio, but funny enough, I don't see you lasting in radio in the next 2 years. And this is why your ancestors are saying that you are here to groom talent. And they are repeating that you are here to groom talent. You have helped people blossom in the industry without making them pay a dime. So your ancestors want you to now focus and assist people to blossom in the industry. Now, over and above that, now the energies are coming through, and they are wanting to talk about love life, saying that it is amazing how many people will confess their love for you without wanting the world to know. And it is always very influential, very powerful people. At the same time, don't allow people to take you for granted, because people always promise you the world and that, but nobody wants to physically commit and say, I want to show the world off, this is who you are. Now, to you in a relationship, as much as cleanliness is important and respect is important, you have a thing for lips. You have a thing for looking at people's teeth, because to you, a person must be a very good kisser, because she says that you are one too.
So goes
and she's also
woo woo woo, come back.
You know, and she's also saying that you are quite explorative when it comes to being with someone. So you don't want someone who's rigid and stiff. You want people to explore. You want people to show love in public. You're not scared to do that. But then she's saying, going into the future, you need to take care of your heart, do what makes you happy, and stop trying to please or partner with relationship who don't want to please you publicly. Uyemalapho.
Oh,
Thokoza. Selby, anything hitting home? Anything that you want to ask?
Yonke into dayishilo kahle kahle. Yonke into Ima akekho ngithakathayo.
Listen. Your grandmother said, no matter what people do, because they are protecting you. So whether people go to Nigeria or Kenya or Cairo, you will dream. Exactly, but it won't, because you are divinely protected. Uhamba no gogo, it's a whole army. So you just need to pray and focus on your people, and they'll do the rest.
Siyabonga kakhulu Thokoza gogo mkhulu Thokoza kakhulu. Ngiyabonga Jehova izwe lonke lilalele. Nizile ngene ngenze lutho.
Batshele
hey yabona nje. Hayi